Hey, this is MKWPros124. I'm going to show you how to make this Lego gumball machine. First, you need one big gumball like that. Now I'm going to take apart. Sorry about all this noise if you hear it. Alright, sorry. Just gotta take this stuff apart. Alright, you can see that good. Now take apart the main base. Alright, sorry about that. Wait. Okay. First what you need is your base, the 10 by 20 grid. Alright? Then you need two 1 by 2 smooth pieces or one full 1 by 4 smooth pieces, and if you don't have it, that's okay. You don't need it. But it's just for good speed. It won't go slow, but I just put it there anyways. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to make the guard rail. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make that. Okay, first you need one 2 by 8 and one 2 by 4 and one 2 by 2. So it'll be like that. And then you need 3 2 by 4s and one 2 by 2. So you got it looking like that, getting started. And then you need the exact same pieces, 3 2 by 4s and one 2 by 2. And then you need one 2 by 8 and one 2 by 4, and there's going to be a blank spot for a 2 by 2. Do not fill that in. Don't go like that. You don't do that. And then you need one 2 by 10, one 2 by 8, and then you need a one 2 by 4, one 2 by 2. Now we're at the last pieces, one 2 by 4, and last but not least, one 2 by 2. So you got it looking just like that, and fill up those cracks right there. Push hard. So you got your two guardrails. Now I'm going to show you how to make the spot where the gumball comes out of. Alright, first you need the base of one flat like that 4 by 6. It's going to be flat, okay? And then what you need is two 1 by 8s. Put them right on the sides like that. So you got it looking like that. And then you gotta have one 1 by 4, and make sure these are skinny like that. Well, what's it gonna be when it's a 1 by whatever? So, and then you need 3 1 by 6s. Put one like that, that and like that. So then you got looking like that. Got 2 holes right there. Don't fill those in. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to put that on the 10 by 20. Put them right by the smooth pieces. So it's hooked on like that. But I'm going to take it off right now. Then you need 8 of these weird roof shape thingies. It's going to be smooth flat down. Like that. You need 8 of those. And then you put it right there in front of the smooth flat pieces. I'm so sorry about that. It's just the phone ringing, don't worry. And then you need 1 2 by 2 by 4. I'm not good at saying those, whatever. Then you need 2 2 by 4s, 3 2 by 4, 4 2 by 4, 5 2 by 4s, 6 2 by 4s, and 7 2 by 4s. So you got it looking like that, a staircase. And then you put your weird roof shaped things on there, and don't space the 2 by 4s out, because it'll be ruined. It fits perfectly. As long as you listen to my steps, you will get this perfect. And then there you have it. And then I always press down to just make it stronger. So it'll be like that. Now I gotta put on all the stuff. First put on the guardrails. And then your gumballs. So it's looking just like that. Right now I'm going to show you by where the gumball goes down. And plenty of different views. If I can find the gumball. Yes, I put it over here. And now, here it goes. One more time. Now from a side view, I gotta make sure you see all these. You can see really good from there. And then a back view. Oh yeah. Back view is my favorite. So no, it's my least favorite. So I'm gonna have it just like that. See how steep that goes down. And I'm gonna have it tilted back like this. See? And now I'm gonna show you like this again, but I'm gonna take this piece off of the gumball catcher, the back piece, and watch what happens. It goes flying, so that's why it's really important. Now I'm gonna show you with just the 1x4, because sometimes the gumball goes so fast it flips over there. It almost did that time. So that's why you're going to have that. Now I'm going to show you without this. And now I'm going to show you what happens without the guardrails. It usually falls off and I take 20 million tries. Ooh, it worked that time. Alright. So you've been watching MKW Pros 124, how to make this Lego gumball machine. Please check out all my other videos. I'd love to see yours, so post a video response, rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright. Thanks. Goodbye.